Hello friends, in this video tutorial, I will show how can we install Windows 11, step by step. So let's start. This is Windows 11 bootable USB pen drive. I install Windows 11 in my laptop by this. At first, we need to insert bootable pen drive in our PC. Very soon, I will make a tutorial about how can we create Windows 11 bootable pen drive. This is my running Windows C drive, and below, this is bootable Windows 11 pen drive. For starting new Windows setup, at first restart your computer. Now, press F9 key, continue for Windows boot from USB drive. Entering boot menu, and after a few seconds, we can see Windows boot options in our display. From Windows Boot Manager, we need to select Jet Flash Mass Storage Device, and press Enter for start installation process. Please wait a few seconds for start installation. For installation of fresh Windows 11, click on No. Installation language, time, and keyboard layout as default, and click on Next. Now, select Install Windows 11, and License Agreement. After this, click on Next. Read and accept all applicable notice and license term. Click Accept. Please wait a few seconds. Setup location will be C drive. Click Next after select C drive. C drive is our primary partition for setup Windows. Select, and click on Next. Windows 11 ready to install, click Install for start final installation. Installing Windows 11, please wait until 100% finish. It will take few minutes time for finish. Your PC will restart several times during the installation process. Windows 11 installing by this bootable USB drive. Your PC will restart several times during this installation process. Your PC will restart within a few seconds. Please wait for starting your PC. Installing, keep your computer on. Please wait again for a few times, for finish this step. Your computer may restart few times. Please wait just a moment for finish final step. Select your country or origin. Select keyboard layout. You can connect or skip the Wi-Fi connection options at this moment. I skip this. Now, enter your username and enter your password. Retype password for confirmation. Select security question, and type any answer for the 3 questions one by one. Click on Next and Accept. Wait just a moment. Windows is ready for you. This might take a few minutes, please wait. Almost there, Windows 11 installation is done. Now, we can customize our Windows settings, as per our requirement. I change my display icon. Now, if it possible, you can connect internet with this computer, and keep up to date your computer driver from internet. Let's see this device and Windows details information, from Property Options. We can see, my Windows is up to date. I hope, after watching this video, you can install Windows 11 very easily. Friends, please, subscribe to Tech and ICT Solutions, and press the bell button, for new and updated technology-related video tutorials. Thanks for watching this video, and stay with us.